Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, today we have SNS, okay? We're gonna be talking about SNS. As you know, today we're Sunday. If you're watching this video Sunday, huge shout out to you. But basically, we're like simple informations, and overall, we're gonna be positive and pretty quick. Although, okay, so I really want to talk about something about the technical analysis, and I really want to kind of say about the Ascensia exclusive distribution rights to last through 2025. So, under the terms of a agreement, the exclusive distribution rights to Sensonics products are expected to last through 2025, and with the exact timing depending on the factors including the launch date of a certain future generation product. Okay, and there is a link on there, like we can go and kind of check it out. But some people, so the theory is that the recent race is this news. Okay, so a lot of people have been thinking that it was a buy rumor on approval, and but with a sell the news dump coming. But if it is, everyone will be happy about it. But overall, some kinds of news, and that's how kind of the price did kind of push to the upside. As you already know, on Friday it was up 4%. The day before that, 4 again, and like pretty cool going on. You feel me? The price is pretty chilling at this exact point, and I really would like to see the price kind of pushing this slowly to the upside for 3 to 4% every single day. I know that we will not see 43% every single day on that, but I can just I'm just saying that it will be great to see that. Okay, and we can also do something like this, guys. Like, if you know what I mean. All right. And we could also add a line right here. So we are kind of like right now kind of in a triangle, which we already kind of had a break of a structure through this triangle right here. So we're going to be seeing what will be happening. This could now also be taken as a triangle too. But that's it for the kind of the triangle side of things. If you're new here and if you don't know like what does this circle mean right here, this basically means kind of my prediction when the kind of the price starts to push to the downside. And why is that? Because this appear to have like volatile area or a level at 360-ish, somewhere around these areas, right? Okay, so that's the level that I think, and that if we kind of fall back down or kind of retrade, this is the level that I think that we're about to stop and then kind of continue to push to the upside. None of the bearish like news right here. Okay, you will not see any hateful comment about SNS. I'm honest with you guys. Okay, I don't want to lie or stuff like that, but yeah, this the second thing that I really wanted to talk about is that there is a bull flag formed, okay, and the price anticipation is in place. The bull flag has been made on the what I can on the weekly chart actually. Let's talk about on the weekly. As you can see, kind of a bull flag right here, but it was on this on the bars. But yeah, we're not talking about bars right now, bro. But I saw that I saw some kinds of predictions that there was a flag forming out and it could kind of break out of the structure. You know what I mean? There was a picture there was something like this. It could be fake, okay. And then you know how it goes. I mean, this is basically how the price moves. So we have a we came into this consolidation from a uptrend. We did kind of consolidate, okay. Oh, wait a little minute. Just like that, we did kind of consolidate right here, and the price will, like, when we have a break of a structure to this kind of high, you will basically know that the price really wants to push to the upside, and then we kind of retest right here. You could basically get in right there, and then kind of continue to push to the upside. Okay, that's the prediction that they had right here, but I cannot manage to find it on the chart right now. This is how it looks like on the weekly. You cannot see. No, this is how it looks like on the weekly. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I have a flag right here. If that's what you guys mean, or yeah. And this flag was not look like this flag was not looking promising, because this is basically the opposite that I just saw that I just show you guys. Okay, this is basically this. No, that's that's not okay. Let me just get that back. Um, so delete that. So basically, this is the quite opposite. This is something like this. Okay, as you already know, we have a kind of consolidation area, and I thought the price will kind of continue to push to the downside. But I also had two predictions: one to the downside and one to the upside. So we did manage to kind of break through the structure to these highs, and we did manage to continue to push to the upside, which I'm pretty happy about. Okay, so yeah, that's about that prediction right here. And this was a kind of a great channel, okay, a great channel that was respected. We had a breakthrough structure finally right here. This could be an also a great buy, but it is always up to you what you want to do with that. But right now, where is the price moving? As I said, there's a high probability chance that we could kind of come back down to this area. It's because we cannot just push to the upside for for like days and weeks. Okay, well, there will be a point into the market when the price will retrace, and there's nothing like you could worry about. If there's just some kind of a, how do I say, a opportunity for you to buy if you have not already had gotten enough shares that you could have got. Okay, and yeah, that's about that. Also, well, like what I personally right now have a expectation, like I really have a question for you. What are your expectations in your predictions about SNS? If you have something that you want to share out with the guys, comment down below because a lot of people are searching through the comments. Okay, so comment down below what if you have any kind of thoughts on SNS, and also some part like if SNS does get the FDA approval, what are we going to be realistically looking for? And the price increase, if the price is increasing to $9 or 12 plus, what is the safest expectation for you guys? So, but like personally, the only safe expectation is to hold for 5 to 10 years, and then maybe I'll sell. Then, okay, and maybe because I'm not selling right now. I don't know what the hell are you going to be talking to me. I'm not selling right now. This is just a short-term prediction. You feel me? I mean, this will not make any sense in the next 5 years because, of course, I will be holding. I'm just talking for you guys to kind of give you the information, the predictions that I got, but I'm not selling at all. I could have buy on the way up, but I'm not selling, and I'm buying as much as I can at the moment because the price is at $4 freaking bucks. Okay, so yeah, and it's honestly hard to say after the events of this past January. Okay, if a approval gets enough attention and this suddenly gets a full meme status, people could drive it higher than any reasonable estimate. Okay, if only for a short term, like other stocks have had happened. Okay, so that's about it. But I still think that it's a safe long term. So even if it jumps way up, then plummets back down short term, I still believe it's a steady growth for the next several years. As for a safe expectation, I'd say between $4 or $5 is as a new normal price with a short term jump maybe above $5. Like maybe by $5 with a short term. I think the $5 we're going to be hitting right here the $5. So if you're gonna push to the upside to $5, if something like this could kind of happen, okay, push about $5. On this one, only about five. Then my expectation is that we can kind of have a retrace around these areas and kind of continue to push to the upside because this could be our new support at 459, and this we will have another support at like 415. You feel me? So yeah, that's it. For that prediction, I will be adding a horizontal ray right there. Just like that, okay? So yeah, I hope that you can understand what I just saw and what are my thoughts about it. So let me know what are your thoughts about that scene. If you think that something like that could happen. And peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.